Dear friends, fellow vets, and aspirants of RVC, as a veterinarian, we have a very good opportunity to serve our motherland as an army officer through Remount Veterinary Corps. There is a misconception that only army background candidate and NCC candidates will be selected. It's very untrue. Only deserving candidates will be selected. RVC is a minimum 5-year temporary service. Once you get selected, you can apply for permanent commission during your service period. All that you need is to clear some departmental exam. So let's have an introduction about various stages and steps of service selection board in Remount Veterinary Corps. The RVC is an administrative and operational branch of the Indian Army and one of its oldest formations. It is responsible for breeding, rearing, and training of all animals used in army. Usually, notification for RVC is published in leading newspapers once in a year in the month of May or June. Indian Army has three selection centers across the country. These are Selection Center Allahabad, Selection Center Bhopal, Selection Center Bengaluru. The selection process in the armed forces is very elaborate and is done over 5 days. Candidates are put through a screening test which comprises of intelligence test followed by a picture perception and discussion test. Based on the performance in these tests, some of the candidates are retained for stage 2 testing and others are allowed to return home the same day. Hence, qualifying in this test is most important. In this test, 12 pictures are shown one by one and candidates are asked to write a short story based on these pictures. The first picture will appear for 30 seconds and thereafter 4 minutes are allowed to write the story in about 100 words. After which, the second picture will appear on the screen. The last picture is always a blank slide, hence, the candidate can write any story and therefore should prepare a nice story for the last picture. Rest of the stories must be purely based on the pictures shown. In this test, the candidates are shown 60 words one after the other and are expected to make a short sentence using the words shown. Each word will appear for 15 seconds in which you have to see the word and write a sentence. There will be a buzzer to indicate that the word has changed. It is important to attempt at least 45 out of 60 words. Do not avoid negative words. In this test, certain situations are described and the candidate is asked to respond to the same. No special intelligence or knowledge is required to answer these questions. Through the responses, the personality of the person is assessed. This is a test of common sense, reasoning ability, and maturity of a candidate. There will be two rounds of group discussion. In the first round, the GTO will give the group two topics and allow the group to choose any one for the discussion. Time allowed for discussions will be 20 minutes. In the second round, the GTO will give only one social topic for discussion and the group will have no choice but to speak on that topic only. Once again, the time allowed for discussions will be 20 minutes. The candidates are given some problems on a model and asked to firstly write down their individual solutions on a sheet of paper and then discuss among themselves to evolve a common group plan. Thus, in this task, unlike GD, the group is expected to arrive at a definite conclusion. In this task, there are 4 obstacles which the group has to cross in 45 minutes following certain rules. In this task, the group is made to race against the other groups through a series of 6 obstacles. The group is also required to carry a load, which is a rolled up tent, and because it looks like a snake, this task is also referred to as the snake race. In this task, the group is broken down into 2 smaller subgroups and assigned one single obstacle, similar to the one that was tackled in the PGT, in such a way that while one subgroup is tackling the obstacle, the other subgroup is not allowed to watch. In this task, each candidate will be required to deliver a short talk for 3 minutes to the rest of the group on any one of the 4 topics. There will be a total of 10 obstacles to be tackled individually in 3 minutes. Obstacles will be numbered from 1 to 10, and the number of the obstacle also indicates the point you will get if you do it successfully. Thus, if you tackle successfully all the 10 obstacles in the allotted time of 3 minutes, you will get 55 points. In this, each candidate is required to do one task similar to half group task with same rules of PGT being applicable, except the group rule as there is only one task to be done. In this task, the entire group is called back to perform one task similar to the progressive group task with similar rules. The interview process followed at the SSB is based on free association technique, and normally an interview lasts for 45 minutes to an hour. The last day, that means the day 5, is the conference day. In this, each candidate is called into the conference room one by one to take a final look.
याद रखना, शॉर्टकट कभी भी मंजिल तक नहीं पहुंचाता है। घूम फिर के आप फिर से हाईवे पे आ जाओगे, फिर बोलोगे कि टाइम वेस्ट हो गया। इसलिए वन सिंगल एम, रोज छोटे एम बनाओ। प्रॉब्लम ये कि एक ही दिन में आप कुछ नहीं बन सकते। लेजेंड कोई पैदा नहीं होता है दोस्त, उसको बनने के लिए बहुत सिंपल सी बात है। Nobody becomes the general within a day. There is a journey involved in that, and you have to go through that journey. उस जर्नी की इज्जत होती है, तो अपनी खुद की इज्जत कीजिए, उस जर्नी की इज्जत कीजिए।